Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to install an updated power supply for the LEDs in a Crane Merchant Classic. So this power supply is going to go in the machine. It has the big blue and red buttons on the front. The newer machines, Crane updated the power supply and they're not interchangeable. So basically you're going to have a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to need to remove this metal plate. Once this is removed, the smaller, less powerful power supply will come out. The proper identification here, I call this like a figure 8 style plug. The existing harness in here will plug right in here. This harness right here kind of has enough length that replaces the original power supply you're taking out. The final step, when this is ready, on the back side of it we're going to have double-sided tape, very high quality 3M. And so this part is removed, and then after the power cord is connected here, you'll tape this onto the side of the metal box. The original power supply, I assume you're replacing because it's gone bad, is no longer needed. This screw and this metal plate are no longer going to be needed because this is going to be taped to the side of this large power supply box.